Picture this: one prompt, 10 minutes, and a simulated set of 100 buyer interviews that surfaces realistic willingness to pay, and you can turn that into a pilot offer the same day. I'm Marcus Chen. Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast.
Whoa, hold on. One prompt can do that?
Yes, but let me be precise. It doesn't replace talking to real people. What it does is rapidly shrink the hypothesis space. You use AI to run controlled micro-experiments, reveal price bands, and auto-draft test offers. Then you validate the top winners with a small paid pilot.
Right, that feels safer. Okay, walk me through the tools in plain terms. I want something I can paste and click this afternoon.
Stock is tight. Typeform or Calendly to capture intent, ChatGPT or Claude to simulate and score, Zapier or Make to glue flows, Google Sheets for raw replies and scoring, Stripe for payments, and Notion for auto-drafted pages and onboarding checklists.
Got it. So Sheets is the central database, right?
Exactly. Sheets holds raw responses and computed scores. Zapier watches scored rows and triggers Notion drafts or Stripe links when thresholds are met. But, important, always include a manual sign-off step before any money or onboarding goes out.
Yes, manual sign-off. Tax, contract, and visa paperwork can't be automated away. Keep humans in the loop.
Now, for the exact prompt you can paste into your evaluator. Use this role-play seed. You are a target customer who needs X. List your top 3 pain points and a realistic monthly budget range. State why you'd pick option A, B, or C, and rank urgency 1 to 10. Then run a role-play generator to produce 30 unique profiles and simulated replies.
Short and neutral. Good. Also add a consent line on your form. Say, responses may be used to improve product offerings. Transparency is non-negotiable.
Absolutely. Consent goes at the top of the Typeform. Now break the evaluator sequence into 3 steps so things stay auditable. Step A, generate profiles. Step B, estimate willingness to pay and rank likelihood. Step C, extract themes and price bands with supporting quotes. Run them in order and write a confidence flag when the model is uncertain.
Good call on the confidence flag. That prevents over-trusting fabricated certainty. Quick question. Can you give a sample simulated reply so listeners hear what they're scoring?
Sure. Sample simulated reply. I run a remote HR consultancy for startups. My top pain is onboarding contractors across time zones. I'd budget $500 to $999 per month for a reliable solution and could start within 30 days. I'd pick option B because it balances cost and hands-on support.
Nice. That sentence gives clear cues you can parse. Budget buckets, urgency, and purchase language. Now, how do you turn those replies into a numeric score so the automation can act?
Use a simple rubric in Sheets. Budget buckets. 0 to $199 equals 1, $200 to $499 equals 2, $500 to $999 equals 3, $1,000 to $1,999 equals 4, $2,000 plus equals 5. Multiply that by urgency, 1 to 10, to get a raw score. Normalize to 0 to 100 and add plus 10 for explicit conversion language like ready to start or can pay now. Segment by persona and compute median scores. Thresholds above 70 become candidates for draft offers.
Quick interjection. How do you detect conversion language reliably? Keyword match? NLP sentiment? I'm worried a couple of false positives could trigger an unwanted invoice.
Great point. Start with a lightweight keyword checklist. Ready, start, pay, now, this month, and a simple sentiment boost. But always include a human review gate. Use the automated tag as a signal, not an automatic invoice trigger.
Perfect. Now walk me through the automation flow, but keep it bite-sized so listeners can follow.
Step 1. Typeform captures the core problem and consent. Step 2, Zapier sends the reply to ChatGPT with prompt A to generate profiles, then prompt B/C. Step 3, parsed replies land in Sheets and scores are calculated. Step 4, when a row exceeds your threshold, Zapier drafts a Notion sales page and creates a Stripe checkout link for a pilot payment, but it pauses and flags the account manager for review before any invoice is sent.
Short pause. How fast do you actually get usable signals? Hours? Days?
You can have directional signals within hours. Run 50 simulations, score them, and you'll see clusters that point to a median band. Then validate the top band with 3 paid pilots over a week. That's the safety valve against overfitting to synthetic noise.
Okay, pitfalls, fast. Give me the top 3 and the exact mitigation for each.
1. Simulated bias. Mitigate with neutral prompts, persona variety, and small live pilots. 2. Over-automation. Mitigate with manual sign-off and daily random audits. 3. Ethical bias and leading questions. Mitigate by including consent, publishing your methodology on the offer page, and refusing to misrepresent simulated replies as real interviews.
All good. Listeners need a quick 20-second checklist to get momentum. Give it to us.
20 seconds. Pick one niche and define one core problem. Create a Typeform with consent and the discovery question. Paste prompt A into ChatGPT. Set Zapier to forward form replies to the evaluator for 50 simulations. Export results to Sheets and apply the scoring rubric. You'll have directional price bands in hours.
Listeners who want templates, Zapier recipes, and help with ethical phrasing, where do they go?
Head to nomadlifesuccess.com/courses and enroll in the Nomad Pricing Lab. First 50 signups get a bonus Zapier recipe pack to jumpstart automations, plus a prompt audit slot. You get ready-to-run forms, Sheets scoring templates, Notion page templates, and a checklist for live pilots. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. This changes everything for nomads.
Final piece of advice. Treat synthetic interviews as hypothesis engines. Move fast to generate signal, then deliberately slow down to validate. If you want help with freezing or monitoring recipes, the course walks you through it step by step.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. Thanks for listening. See you in the lab.
Catch you next episode. Let's make this actually work for you.
Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.